I welcome all of you on platform of YourPD Education. And on this platform, we are providing you thorough and detailed information about how to convert your GATE score into some kind of selection, some kind of career options. In that line only, this video is related to those of you who have got high CGPA. High GATE score, high CGPA, low GATE score, low CGPA, high GATE score, low GATE score, low CGPA, low CGPA, no GATE score. There are so many such combination. And the good thing is, irrespective of what combination we have got, we have opportunity. Irrespective of what combination we have got the opportunity. The different, everybody will get the career. The difference will be, like if suppose your GATE score is not very high and CGPA also is not very high, then you need to spend money from your pocket and you will not get scholarship. But then you can join a course which eventually gives you return on your investment, something which we get in IIMS or in NITI Bombay. Because when you pursue your postgraduate diploma in management in IIMS also and in NITI Bombay also, you need to spend money from your pocket. And same you need to spend money from your pocket if you do MS abroad. But then it is not, spending is not a problem. Only thing is, if you spend money, you should get return. That is called ROI, return on investment. So you should know your situation. And in that regard, this video is related to one category where CGPA is good. Because if your CGPA is good, GATE score is not good or low GATE score, even then you will get call from some courses like MS, PhD courses, etc. So if your GATE score is high, let's say if your CGPA is high, let us say 8 plus in journal, 7.5 in your OBC, SC, ST 6 plus if your CGPA is there, then MS and PhD there is opportunity for you to get call from, and that also is a good opportunity for you. That also gives you good career. So if I talk about IIT systems, IIT system and all, and you from general category and 9 plus CGPA, then 100% you are going to get call from PhD. Only thing is you have to write a SOP, SOR and then apply in that. If 8.5, majority of IITs may you will get call. 8 plus, you will get the call. You will get the call not from all the places, but you will get the call. 8 से कम है तो PhD में कॉल नहीं आएगा. 7.5 प्लस में MS से कॉल आने के चांस हो जाते हैं. So 8 plus CGPA में सर MS PhD से कॉल आना चाहिए मेरे को. If I apply in 20, I will get call from 10, something like that. Same is situation for OBC. So sir, what is the safe thing for me? 9 plus is very safe for general category, 8.5 is very safe for OBC, and 7 is very safe for SC/ST. So if you are in that category, like your general category and 9 plus CGPA, 100% you are going to get call from these courses from IITs, irrespective of your low GATE score. Similarly, here 8.5, here 7 will be the criteria. So some of the colleges offer you degree in percentage, not CGPA. There you need to keep percentage 5 point less. Like 9 CGPA means 85%. 8 CGPA means 75%. On an average, IIT consider like this, irrespective of what your university has written, but this is the thumb rule. So if you are in this category, then think of what your opportunity is and try to utilize that opportunity and try to apply in that direction. I've told you many times that whether it is MTech or it is MS or something like this, these all are myth. Core department, non-core department, interdisciplinary department. If you get into IIT, old IIT, new IIT, that also is more or less a myth for you. Because I understand that if you have got new IIT, if you have got interdisciplinary department, if you have got MS, even then if you put effort, you will get very good career. All you need to do is enhance your skill and put effort so that if company comes and you get the recruitment. And the other issues like COVID, placement less and all, they are not only for you, they are for everyone. So you cannot make your basically planning on the basis of these negativities that this year placements are less or something. We only can plan for positivity. Like after 2 years, once I graduate, I should have opportunities. Economy will be opening up and I'll get the opportunities, and I will put effort in my master's course so that I can convert that into selection. This is how you have to plan it. So if you are in this category, go ahead and apply in the departments which I told you, in the domains which I told you, and you will certainly get the calls. Keep preparing. Thank you.